Hey there, folks! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of digital marketing and specifically, how to start affiliate marketing. So, let's get started. First things first, what is affiliate marketing? It's a performance-based marketing strategy where a business rewards affiliates for each user or customer brought by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. In other words, you're essentially promoting someone else's product or service and earning a commission for every successful referral. Now, let's talk about how to get started with affiliate marketing. 1. Choose a niche, select a topic or industry that you're passionate about and have some knowledge in. This will make it easier to create engaging content and attract your target audience. 2. Sign up for an affiliate program. Research and join reputable affiliate programs that align with your chosen niche. Make sure to read the terms and conditions carefully. 3. Create content. Start creating valuable content, such as blog posts, videos, or social media posts that promotes the products or services you're affiliated with. Remember to be honest and transparent about your affiliation. 4. Drive traffic. Use various marketing tactics, such as search engine optimization, social media marketing, and email marketing to drive traffic to your content and attract potential customers. 5. Monitor and optimize. Keep track of your performance, analyze your results, and make necessary adjustments to improve your affiliate marketing strategy. Remember, affiliate marketing is a long-term game. It takes time, effort, and patience to see results. But if you're consistent, dedicated, and provide valuable content, you can potentially earn a steady income from affiliate marketing. And that's it for today's video, folks. I hope you found this information helpful in getting started with affiliate marketing. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more digital marketing tips and tricks. As always, thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.